Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to create a professional Shopify store in 2025. Step by step, even if you are a complete beginner, let's turn your business idea into a beautiful online store. Start by heading to shopify.com and click Start Free Trial, enter your email address here, then set a password and name your store. Shopify sign up process very easy. After setup, it's time to design your store. Go to Shopify. Go to Shopify's admin dashboard. Then click online store from the left sidebar. Then click themes and explore Shopify's free and paid themes like Dawn theme. For a professional look, choose a clean theme with the good product display option. Use high quality images and consistent fonts for a premium feels. Now go to product section, then click add product and start uploading your items. Add a product title like t-shirt, printed t-shirt. Add a description. You can use Shopify AIs. Just click on this generate text option and type write about it. Then choose tone like daring, fearful. Then click generate. Then keep it. You can add photos in description. Then insert a video. Um, then use HTML code. It is. Then from media tab, select your photo, product photos like choose your t-shirt from your desktop. Then set a price like 50, compare at 65. Then cost per item, profit margin. You can add inventory or shipping options. Then physical product, add custom information. Select country name, harmonized system, code, and variants. Add variants like colors. Then click save. Now let's organize your website. Go to online store. From here, click navigation to create menus. Create menu like links like shop, home, shop, about us, contact. Create footer links, shipping policy, refunds, FAQs. This helps visitors find what they are looking for, key for sales and professionalism. Time to bring your homepage to life. Click customize on your theme. Now add a banner with a call to action. Select image from your dashboard. Hit done. It's added to your shop. Add testimonials or reviews. You can use an apps for reviews, edit fonts and colors to match your brand. Click on it, then click heading, select it and click size like that. Focus on clean layout, easy navigation, and clear buy now or shop now buttons. Then click save and publish. Add a logo or favicon for a branded. Just click on header, then logo, then theme settings from here. Then select your logo from your computer. Now go back to product section, then click import and add file, then download and add your CSV product file, then click upload and preview. Then import products. Let's make sure you can accept payments. Go to settings from the left sidebar at the bottom left. And activate Shopify payments or PayPal. Enable Shopify payments or PayPal. You can add the manual payments like bank deposit, create custom method, or money order, cash on delivery. It is. Every professional store needs legal pages. Go to store settings, go to settings and policies, and use Shopify templates for privacy, refund, and shipping policies. Then go to settings, then domain, and connect a custom domain for a real business look. But buy a domain directly from Shopify or connect your own. Now go back to online store and preview your site. Just look like that. Test and order, and that's it. You just created a professional Shopify store in 2025. Now you are ready to launch, promote your store, and start selling. If this helped you, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more Shopify tutorials and comment below if you want a full marketing guide next. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.